Hello everybody, and today we are going to do a delicious Nutella spread. So, we are going to get 2 cups of hazelnuts and spread them like this. Now you put the hazelnuts in the oven at 350 for 10 minutes. With the help of an adult. The hazelnuts have come out of the oven. Now you are gonna let them cool for 10 minutes. Then you put them on a clean kitchen towel. Put these all there. Good. Now you are going to shake them. Do you know why? Because we want to get all the skins possibly off. I am massaging the bottom of the towel to get all the skins off of the hazelnuts. There you go. Okay, now look. All the skins of the hazelnuts are almost off. Now you are going to put all these hazelnuts inside this food processor. Get them all. Okay, try to not get the skins. Try just to get the hazelnuts, not the skins. Okay, there you go. All of them in. Now you're going to blend the hazelnuts in this food processor on high. There you go. Stop occasionally to scrape the sides, like this. Scrape a bit the sides like that. Okay, then you continue blending when you're done. You want to keep the nuts inside the food processor so you can get them well blended. It's not quite smooth yet, but we're almost there. It's not done yet. It's just a kind of a peanut buttery consistency right now. Look, those nuts are being pulverized in the blender, and now look, they're liquid already. So now you're ready to add the remaining ingredients. Add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Now you're going to blend this for 1 more minute so your coconut oil gets well incorporated. This homemade Nutella is giving this food processor a huge workout. It's going to have to do a few stretches after this. Now you're going to add 2/3 of a cup of powdered sugar. Make sure you put the powdered sugar in the bowl. If not, you'll have a big mess to clean up. It's time to add 1/3 of a cup of cacao powder. This is going to give it a delicious chocolate taste. To round out the flavors to this Nutella recipe, add 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And guess what? You're not going to believe it. You're adding a pinch of salt just for the flavors. Blend that for just 1 more minute, and there you go. Dynamite homemade Nutella. And that's all you have to do to make the homemade Nutella. Check this out. Look at this deliciousness. Can you believe how smooth and delicious this looks? Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this Nutella recipe. Don't forget to hit that like button, smash that subscribe button, and I'll see you next time.